Coffee time and chat. All right, so this is going to be the new setup for the channel, and as you can see, it's pretty radical as far as a kitchen counter is concerned. Well, I decided to move out here because I brought my daily driver out again, my Vitamix G Series 7500, and I also wanted to bring out my good old Maxi 4000, which is the same as the 3600 plus and all that. It's just a reversible machine with the spigot and all that, the old school stuff. I just wanted to have more variety in the channel, so I'm going to be going ahead and using all three of these machines for different purposes. I did put away the S50 the last time, but I brought it back out because of, I had real estate. So, yeah. Coffee's good. It's an Italian roast from Target. Super good. It's a nice dark roast. So anyway, yeah, there's no practical purpose for this. This is just for the channel and for fun. I'm an enthusiast, so that's what we're gonna do. I have the, like I said, a 7500 with the tamper holder now, and I could use a personal cup adapter. I have the personal cup adapter, but again, I have the S50 here that I figured, kind of grown pretty fond of it, so I think leaving it out and doesn't really take that much space, and I think people really need to see this machine in action on a regular basis. And plus, it saves me the extra step of having to get the personal cup adapter out. I mean, it's not like it's right there. It takes me 2 seconds, and I could, But if I'm making something extravagant or anything like that, having multiple machines might be an advantage here. So that, and plus the old school Vitamix, we're gonna go ahead and do things with this as well, because some people do have these, but they just don't understand how to use them, and they don't. A lot of people they get these and they figure, it doesn't work very well. Well, you gotta use it differently than you would a blender. It's a different technique, basically. So, and plus to mix things up on the channel, and show how cool these machines are. I'm not going to use the A3500. There's no point because I have my G series. But if Vitamix does come in with things that would only use a scent series, then I'll bring it out. Like the blending bowls, that's a scent series only. The cups, for the scent series. Anything a scent series, I'll bring it out and do a little showcase. But for 99.9% of the things that I do, I just use my daily driver, 7500. Anything else I need to show somebody, some people out there, about portable machine, I have it here, and definitely reversible machine. So I have basically a whole smorgasbord of things right here at my disposal. And plus, it's a cleaner look, there's more open space. I can make recipes that could be used for the crock pot over here in the corner. I have my access to my utensils, and pretty much I have a whole setup just for you guys. Okay, so this is going to be the new setup for the channel, and hopefully if I this stays like this for a while. So we'll see how it goes, but my idea is to kind of go through some recipes in the recipe books that that I think everybody with a Vitamix should start out with. So doesn't matter which one you start out with as a first-time user. I'll show you how to do some of the things based on those recipes that are introductory recipes. And then we'll move on and do other things like if I see a recipe that I'm interested in, then we'll go ahead and do it because hey, I got all the books to and that complement these machines. So that's going to be the new setup. I hope you all enjoy it, and we just go ahead and have fun. Whatever. Just go ahead and destroy shit. Make it taste good or make it taste bad. Who knows? That's just going to be the way it is. All right. So, yeah. Get ready for some good stuff. Have a nice day.